In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the WooCommerce product variation limit. Open your themes function file. Make sure you're editing the child theme. In this example, I'm using the main theme. I don't recommend you do this as your changes will be lost when you update your theme. So let's begin. Define open and close parentheses. Inside our parentheses, we have two parameters. The first one is wc_max_linked_variations. The second one is the limit value that we desired to add. For this example, I've set it to 60. Make sure your server can handle the limit. WooCommerce set a limit to prevent memory issues. Now hit save. Let's create a new variable product and see if this works. So this is just quick. I'm just going to show you if the maximum variable per run is 60. So create all variations from all attributes and hit go. Now we can run up to 60 variations. Thank you guys for watching. Hit like if you liked this video and consider subscribing. See you in the next video.